Apple even for 2024 has just got over. You can see the crowd back behind me checking out the new iPhones, the new AirPods, and the new Apple Watch Series 10. A lot of takeaways. I think Apple Intelligence or Gen AI coming natively into the new iPhones is one big thing. And Apple has used it quite well because it's very native. You don't have to go anywhere to use it. It comes wherever you are or whatever you are trying to do. And that means Siri, which has been the first real smart assistant that you had in smartphones, now is actually getting a lot of more intelligence using Apple Intelligence. The other thing that I found really interesting was how the professional layering of Apple's Pro series has now gotten really sharp. And Apple is super focused on how this phone or its camera can be used by professionals, replacing a standalone camera which would have done most of this job earlier. So Apple now has something called camera control, which is like a simple camera, but much better than how it's been used before. It's used as a full control. You use the button to control whatever setting you want without actually tapping the screen. And when it comes to professionals, Apple now has 4K with 122 frames per second, cinematic slow motion, and audio mixing capabilities, which are really at the professional level. This means Apple has taken the game further up. You really don't have competition when it comes to smartphones used by professionals, and iPhone has now just got better with the 16 Pro. Could you show me the camera controls?
Yeah, absolutely. It's one of my favorite features. So camera control at any time. You can open it up, brings the camera right up. Hit it again. You can control all kinds of different, right? So you have focus, zoom, just another. So if I want to zoom in or zoom out, for example, it takes advantage of the macro and the 48 megapixel cameras. Hit it again. It's a really nice touch here in terms of style. So I can, through the lens, change the style. Right? I can flick through and you'll see how that changes, right, as you're doing it. You can also go through and do that with tone. Same thing. So you can scroll through different tones for the room. Really puts a lot right here at your fingertips anytime. It works on both.